In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can level up fast here in Anime Vanguards. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your goal is to level up as quickly as possible and unlock more content, the best method is clearing short stages repeatedly. You earn a flat XP reward every time you finish a stage, so fast 3 to 4 minutes in terms of clears are way more efficient. Long 30-minute infinite runs are not worth it for player XP specifically. The best strategy is to pick a short story mode stage and then just place one strong carry unit like Goku, Luffy, or any mythic with a good AoE. Just speed through the waves, finish the stage, restart immediately, and repeat this loop for the fastest XP per minute. Now, in terms of early game, the planet Namek, which is Act 5, is pretty good. It's one of the fastest maps in the entire game. It can be cleared under 4 minutes, and it's perfect for mid to low level players. For mid to late game, use Double Dungeon, which is Act number 1. This is going to drop useful items like the Senzu Beans, which is pretty good, and it's going to let you level up both your player and your units at the same time. But once again, if your main goal is unit leveling, do this instead. Go to the Underground Church, which is the infinite mode, because it's going to drop magic pendants, and each pendant is going to give you 200 XP. It's by far the most efficient way to push units past level 60. So only farm this when XP unit matters a lot more than player XP. Whenever you get the chance, also make sure that you are redeeming codes because they often will give XP boost, items, or resources, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.